Hey folks, today I have the pleasure to host Kristoff Xu. He's a dear colleague, but before introducing him, he came up with an amazing idea. I think for those who are using now Databricks One, the consumer mode released by Databricks, where we can see the dashboards, apps, and Genie. Well, some folks asked whether we can build a dashboard directly from Databricks One and be able to consume it. I have good news for you. Kristoff was able to make your dream come true. Hi, Kristoff.
Hi, Youssef. Thank you for having me today.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Kristoff. I'm a colleague of Youssef. I'm a senior systems engineer at Databricks for almost 2 years now. Yeah, happy to show you today what we have at Databricks.
And can you tell us, or maybe show us, how were you able to make it?
Yes, maybe. Okay, then maybe let me give you a demo and then show directly what we have. So now I am a data analyst or business analyst, and I have access to Databricks One. So I have my engineers who give me some dashboard, but I want to have my own dashboard. What should I do? And this is what we develop at Databricks. So this is Databricks apps on which you have now a new way to create a consume dashboard using an LLM. On our case, it's ChatGPT 5, available with our foundational models API. So how does it work? Let's say I'm working in the customer support department. So I'm going to log my data from the customer support department that we have in UT catalog. And here, let's say here I am an analyst for the customer support department. And I am looking to understand the performance of my department. So now we're going to submit this prompt to the LLM. It's going to take a look through the different widgets available for the dashboard, select the most relevant one. And here you can see we can follow the reasoning behind to understand better why he picked these widgets and why it made sense for him. And then once we have it, we have our dashboard that is deployed in Databricks and then embedded as an iframe into other Databricks apps. And then now it's loading, and we should have normally not everything. And yes, not everything is here, but we have at least 3 main widgets, which is the table, which shows us the level of details that we need to understand the different records registered for each customer support agent. We have here the number of tickets resolved by the first line support and also by second line support when the ticket is escalated. And here we can understand better the number of tickets we got through the different days per priority. Is it a low priority, high priority, or medium priority?
And just to understand, like when the AI build or the LLM build the dashboard, is it automatically published or is it a draft mode?
It's automatically published. That's a very good question. Let me show you now. If we go to our Databricks One, and we go back to our home page, and now we go to dashboard. And we have here our dashboard published. Just to show you, we have the same name, overview, and then this is this is randomly generated just to ensure that you don't have the same name every time generated, which will create a conflict and lead to an issue. So here we have our dashboard, and then if I click on here, then we will see that it is published, and then I can always adjust it directly from here, click on the draft and so on. But yeah, this is the way you could create a dashboard if you don't have much knowledge about how to create dashboards, but you have strong domain knowledge.
And I have a question. The dashboard that is currently published, can we modify, because when you want to publish, it's either embed credentials or it's the user permissions. Which one is used for this dashboard?
That's a good question. On our case, we're taking the embedded, we're taking the on behalf of users. So we're taking my credentials because that's a very good one. You don't want that everybody have access to some sensitive data. You want to still keep the separation that you have set at the governance level for each users of Databricks. So we use my credentials to get access to this data. Someone who don't have the same credentials as me, then might not have the same permission. It will not probably see the same type of data. So you will probably see some errors probably displayed or some difference of data. displayed.
Awesome. And in case they want to deploy the same apps, they just need to clone the repo that you'll be sharing with us in the description of this video, and then deploy Databricks apps. That's right?
Exactly. The only thing they would need is just to, if I go here, they would just need to have a token and then the SQL Warehouse ID that they will have to write in the code, and then that's it. Everything is done before. They just need also to have the data ready, obviously, and then the better data, the better results they will get, and then they can directly create as many dashboards that they need to conduct amazing strategic operations.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kristoff. So you can witness how the field is like creating some awesome tools using Databricks platform. Thank you, Kristoff, so much.
Thank you, Seth.